Hello everyone, Nikhil this side from Coding Beam. So in this video we are going to discuss about the strict mode in JavaScript. So what exactly is the strict mode? So we all know that the JavaScript is a dynamically typed language. So if you have worked with other programming languages like the Java or the C# or C++, so you all know about the how strict they are in declaring like the variables. So you can't use the variables before declaring them. So how strict they are. So if you expect the compiler to the same strictness in the JavaScript also, so the strict mode is here to use. So it allows us the strictness of the code in the JavaScript. So it is a stricter version of the JavaScript and it was introduced in the ES5 and it produces new errors for like the depreciated features. And why do we need it? Because it increases the security and performance to help building the code quality of the code and to reduce the bugs. And that's why we need the strict mode in the JavaScript. And how to enable that? Via the use strict keyword in the JavaScript. So you have to use in the quotes like the use stricts. And if now you will use the brand equals to Honda and we haven't declared it, but it will give you an error that the brand is not defined. So now we will see practically that how exactly it works and why do we need that. So now we are in the Visual Studio Code, and now if I will now initialize a variable and give it a value like a equals to 1, and if I will now console.log the value of a, then it will show us the 1 in the console window because there is no any strictness in the code as of now. But if I will now use here the use strict on the top of the code, then if I will save, then it will throw us an error that the a is not defined because we are in the strict mode now. So if I will define the a like the var a, so then it will be cleared. So these are about the strict modes. So it will increase the readability, security and the quality of your code, and it will decrease the confusing and the poorly written code in the JavaScript. So now there are some restrictions in the strict mode, and about them, the undeclared variables are not allowed. So we have seen the example of it. So about the second one, these are the deleting the variables or functions are not allowed. So if I will go to the index.js and the developer tools, and if I will now create a new object, then there will be again the car, an object, and the make property, it will be the Honda, and the year, it is a 2021. If I will now try to delete this object by the delete car, then it will be okay without the strict mode. But if I will now add this use strict at the top of the code, then it will throw us an error that the delete of an unqualified identifier in the strict mode. So about the third, the duplicating the parameters name in the functions are not allowed. So about the duplication in the parameters and function names, if I will now declare a function and it will be again the get details and the parameters, it will be like the a and again the a. So then if I will now console.log like the a plus and again the a, then if I will now call this function like the get details, it will throw us an error that the duplicate parameters and name are not allowed in the context. So these are not allowed in the strict mode. And again, the eval cannot declare or modify variables and the functions in the JavaScript in the strict mode. So if I will now go to the Visual Studio Code, and then you will see here we have the use strict, and then here we have the eval function, and it is declaring a new variable like let a equals to 1, and we are console.logging the a. And then you will see there will be the reference error that the a is not defined because in the JavaScript in the strict mode, eval cannot declare or modify any variables and the functions in the strict mode. So the with statements are not allowed in the strict mode. So about the with statements, if I will now again go to the Visual Studio Code and the developer tools, and if I will now again the with and the math, so then if I will now declare initialize a equals to the abs of the like 200.123 and st2, and if I will now save, then you will see there will be an error. The strict mode cannot may include with a with statement. So with statements are not allowed in the strict mode. Now the writing to the read-only properties are not allowed. So now if I will declare a new function, again the car, and again we have the let make equals to the Honda, and then if I will now use object dot define properties, and then the this, and then again there will be the name of the property like the make. Then if I will now just use here the get, and it will be anonymous function as we saw in the object videos. So about this, if I will now just return only the make, so if I will now save, and if I will now create a new instance of it like the const c equals to the new car, then if I will now assign a new value to the c dot make equals to the like the Hyundai, but in the strict mode. So we have to use the strict mode on the top of the code, the strict mode, use strict. And if I will now save, then you will see an error that cannot set the property make of the car which has only a getter. So the octal numbers are also not allowed in the JavaScript. So about the octal, they start with the 0. So if I will now go in the JavaScript code, and if I will now remove this, and it will be the let octal oct equals to like the 0 3 0. If I will now save, then it will throw us an error that the octal literals are not allowed in the strict mode. So they are also not allowed in the strict mode. And if I will now go in the restrictions, so there the reserved keywords are also not allowed via the variable declarations or the function declarations. So about that, if I will declare a new variable like the 4 equals to like the 1 2 3, then if I will now save, then it will throw us an error that unexpected strict mode was the reserved word. So the 4 is the reserved keyword in the JavaScript which is used in the loops. So these are about the restrictions, and now so these are about the restrictions in the JavaScript. So thank you guys for watching the video, and I hope you will like the video. And guys, please subscribe to our channel if you are new.